There's so much rain in the ice. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Nice. Woo. Yeah. All right, it is jet ski time on the Muskegon Lake in the big lake. We went and stopped out at the big lake and the waves are huge. Well, not huge, but they're like 5-6 footers, and the water is super warm too, which is amazing for Lake Michigan. So we're gonna get the jet skis out. All 6 O's pulling this effortlessly. Jake and Caleb are over there prepping. See if he can do this. These single trailers are pretty tricky, but we got lots of room. Backwards, go backwards.
It is supposed to be pretty wavy out today. Well, we're already at the beach. Goes Cam. Anyways, we're already down there. Big waves. Nothing crazy, but like 7-foot waves. So they'll be good for jumping. They look to be spaced out pretty good. So I'm excited. We'll get some good jumping footage. We were here a couple weeks ago. You guys saw that. The waves were okay. Weren't really that great. But today we're actually able to do some stuff. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm getting back into the water. Hey Jake, hold up. We forgot to unstrap them.
You didn't get mine?
So we're gonna unstrap,
all the times I get
untie, and this man is upset.
Oh my gosh.
This man's useless. I take that back. I'm sorry. That was harsh.
The disrespect. All right, we'll see you in a minute. On the water.
Allie backing in the boys. No pressure, Allie. Fabulous job. Love it. Perfect execution. I haven't been out here for like a year. There's the sun. This water is fabulous. It feels so good. Hey, don't lose your watch this time. All right, we're gonna make it out to the big lake. Let's go. All right, we made it to the channel. And Caleb just got a notification saying that there's a severe thunderstorm warning in 56 minutes.
It's fine, all right? We'll be okay.
And it got a lot darker since the last time I showed you guys, so neat.
Yeah, it's gotten significantly darker.
We'll see what happens. Maybe we won't be out there for too long, but we can't win them all.
If you couldn't hear that, he said it's getting darker way up there. So I'm thinking we're gonna get a lot of wind, maybe a little rain, hopefully some bigger waves. Yeah, it looks like a big old storm rolling in. That storm's definitely getting closer.
All right, so just got back from the boat launch, dropping the boys off, and got back to the beach. I was planning on going out and enjoying the beach, but it is dark out, and you can hear the storm coming. I don't know, it is pretty dark out there. I don't know if I'm gonna go enjoy the beach or not. Probably gonna sit here and wait it out, but the boys are just riding straight into it, so let's cut back to them.
We're not even out of the channel yet. Yeah, my boy Chris getting it. Woo! Love it! This is great! breakwater, it turns to pure chaos. Waves coming from all directions. You gotta be careful out here for waves like that. Sneak up on you. Wow, these are big. I like this. You also got to be careful too going with the waves, because if the water goes out from underneath you, your front end drops. Wow, they're getting really big right here. This is the spot to jump. That's a cold breeze. I don't like that. Water feels nice though. Woo! Windy. Storm's rolling in. Woo!
These are one of the big swells. Fuck! Oh my gosh! Fuck! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Whoa! That was huge! I really hope I got that and I didn't gonna get stuck. Oh! And the rain's coming down there! Ah! Ah! Ah!
It's raining. I'm getting wet.
Ah!
Yeah! Nice! Oh, he fell in too! Yeah! That's great.
Dude, this man is going savage. I think I missed it. I hope I did, but too busy talking about rain in my eyes.
Little two-step action. Nice curler. Woo! You gotta be careful with the wings. If you get your front end too high, it blows you backwards. Oh, it's coming down hard now. I don't like that. Oh, I know. I'm wondering if we even go to the beach or just drive these things right back. Oh, it's gonna get rough here in a minute. Yeah! Nice. That's a big one. He's going for it. Oh, he bailed. Good choice, it was rolling. That's a big one. Nice. Uh-oh. Troller. Would have gone backwards on that one for sure. Looks like it's clearing up.
All right, we're gonna go back out into the waves.
The storm's cleared, but it's still windy. Very windy.
Well, at least the sun's out. Woo!
Yep, maybe that's good.
All right, let's go. Get this puppy going. Oh! Oh no! We're going fast. Oh.
Hopefully it's not all spotty. Just got off the water. Went through a storm, not really too bad, just pretty fun. But we're heading back now. We're gonna load up and not sure what we're doing from there. But Drake, how was your day?
I had a great day. Nothing broke.
Not yet.
Not yet. We still got a little ways to go to the boat launch.
Yeah.
But it's an easy ride. Last time I was out, I broke all my VTS, my steering, my nozzle. I'm good to go this time. And we had bigger waves, so that's awesome.
Oh yeah, much better this time around. We could actually jump in the deep water and not have to worry about breaking stuff, and a lot bigger jumps. So, Chris, how about you?
It was great. The water's perfect. Hit some big waves. Enough to get this up. It was cool.
I'm proud of you, boy.
Yeah, we did pretty good. Water was awesome. But anyways, we're gonna keep going down this super long channel. It takes way too long to get through. Load up and we'll get back with you. Chris?
We are back at the boat launch. No, all the machines ran great. This thing ran great. I noticed it was a little smoky at the end, so I think I'm just burning a little extra oil. That might have just been loaded up from the channel. Yours is looking so much better. Cause like I missed the upkeep after Hardy Dam, and then I drove on some gravel roads, and then let it sit in the sun.
From there.
Yeah, it doesn't repel water anymore.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah. It's expensive too. That detailer isn't cheap.
No. The water spots don't go away either.
Well, that'll happen
really,
when you
really
keep her
buff
wet.
it out.
What are you, Jake, dude? Leaving my door open?
I was gonna change my undies.
Bruh.
Jake was here too. Dang it!
Look at
the
my
only one with
truck.
the door shut is Jake's. Well, that's a surprise. So we got another fantastic day of jet skiing, all in the books here. Because we don't have our side-by-sides going, well, Chris, yours is going, but it's no fun to ride by yourself.
We're still waiting on parts for mine.
Still.
We have 6 days till we go to St. Helen, and I still don't have parts.
Yep.
And
we'll have the truck, so we can take the truck to the sand pit at least, but it's no fun to take down the trail, so you're not going to be riding it there. So I sold my quad. Well, Jake has his dirt bike, so at least we'll have like three. We'll have 3 seats available. But hopefully Caleb has his parts by then, and we'll just be all good. But it's coming down to crunch time. Y'all know what to do. Check the link down below. Check out the merch site. Get yourself some shirts. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next week.